Here is the app called Cago Sport for sport and exercise. Double click and install. So variety of question types. So practice and elevate your training with expert workouts, performance drills, and personalized plans. Stay updated with the latest in sports. Dive into fascinating football insights and test your knowledge with fun quizzes. So here you can just open the app, and then yeah, here it is. So then you just have your app. You have your exercise. You have motivational quotes in here. You have today's activity. You have like sports game. So you have some sport rules. Okay, so these are also some quizzes, trivias, who is who, famous quotes, record breakers. So kind of fun app just to spend some time. And also if you're spending your time here, you can also go and do them workouts. So that's the idea.